Arwaru kiheri guthie na mbere na kuhona murimu wa COVID-19 ni undu wa kuhe a Kenya mwihoko. Umuthi arwaru 175 makirigitirwo kuuma mathibitari-ini matiganite guku bururi-ini. Riri namba ya arwaru wa murimu uyu ikirugamira 398.
First, we are delighted to inform you that we have discharged the highest number of patients in a single 24-hour period. We have discharged 175 patients from the various facilities who have recovered from the coronavirus disease.
Mitaratara wa arwaru gukorwo makirigitirwo mucii no kwambiriria ica ikuhi. Mutafariri wa mihango ministry ni Ugima wa Mwiri akiuga bururi wa Kenya niguo bururi wa mbere gukorwo kiambiriria mitaratara uyu gitaro-ini kia Africa.
Population and care guidelines dictates these procedures. The guidelines expound on key areas that include eligibility, care procedures, medical monitoring, referral system to health facilities when the need arises, criteria for determining recovery, and community participation.
Namba nene ya arwaru aria mandikithitio muthenya wa umuthi ari matereba thabari ndaya. Thirikari ikiuga ni thite na mbere na gutigirira ati ni eheria muhatikano wa marori mihaka-ini makiria muno mwena wa Busia.
Brought technicians and port health officers to Malaba to try and clear the snarl up of vehicles and trucks in Busia and Malaba. We have managed, as I said yesterday, to clear much of that backlog and reducing the jam of the snarl up from 74 kilometers to about 19.
Arwaru 781 na umwe makomete thibitari-ini cia muingi 7 mari hatikaini. Indi namba nene ya arwaru wa murimu uyu guku bururi-ini matironania ndariri ciothe cia murimu uyu.
7 are critical. They are in ICU. 4 are under intubation and 2 are under ventilation.
Yerifotera Kameme TV ritura kwani Wanjiru wa Foro.